Welcome to our news flash for SIMATIC PCS Now. Here you will get the latest news and facts about our innovative process control system. Everything important to know. Now here. Siemens recently introduced version 3.1 of SIMATIC PCS Now with a new dimension of flexibility and innovative process control. So, what's in it for you? A recent survey from the German institute Statista shows that customers and partners believe that compatibility throughout the entire life cycle is key to the process automation. 90% of the respondents see that the easy integration of updates and upgrades on the fly as highly important. The new release of version 3.1 offers a unique lifecycle management of integration of field devices. The interface to the devices is created fast and easily with less integration and less communication effort. This integration interface is stable over the complete life cycle of SIMATIC PCS Now, thanks due to the fact that it's separate from the application software. This is accompanied by a flexible license and maintenance model. With the software maintenance packages, we can keep our plants and customers running and updated and upgraded over extended time periods with full cost control. As part of this package, we also introduced with version 3.1 SIMATIC PCS My Expert with direct access to your DCS status. The comprehensive DCS Health and Lifecycle portal provides lifecycle relevant product information, latest available firmware and software updates, as well as the latest security vulnerabilities. It keeps all software and hardware components of SIMATIC PCS Now all up to date and ensures optimal technical support in the operations and maintenance phase. SIMATIC PCS Now's newest scalability is suitable for continuous processes from skids or package units to full-scale industrial process automation plants. It can be used for small plants where a DCS is not typically used, saving on hardware and maintenance cost, and it can be scaled up to the largest systems. So no matter whether you're operating a small or a large plant, SIMATIC PCS Now has you covered. In order for manufacturers to remain competitive, they need concepts to realize flexibility in production, but also in plant design and construction. This is why modular automation is one of the hot topics we are intensively working on. At the ACHEMA Pulse event in June, there was an interview with Dr. Hayo Neumann and Mr. Eckhard Eberle about the cooperation between Merck and Siemens to drive forward modular production with all of its benefits of the process industries.
If you look at the modular manufacturing setup, we have a couple of advantages here. For example, if you look at flexibility, volume flexibility, one example, location flexibility, you can bring these kind of manufacturing capabilities to other countries easily. If you look at quality, the batch-to-batch consistency is way better. We can steer our impurity profile in a much more efficient way than compared, for example, to batch-to-batch process. And don't forget sustainability. Sustainability also is an element which is key here, and we can really optimize our processes, which means less waste, which means more energy efficiency. So there are a couple of big advantages, and that's why we see that clearly as the technology of the future.
The key philosophy with modular production is to have autonomous modules working together in a complete process. All of this is based on the Nomura MTP standard, or modular type package. And this ensures the connectivity and interplay between modules and the orchestration system. With SIMATIC PCS Now, we are supporting the standard already, and it operating at an example at the Merck Lighthouse project in Darmstadt, Germany. To easily test promising new digital technologies for the chemical, pharmaceutical, or biotech industries, Invite runs a digital plant showcase center. As the plant is designed and implemented in a modular way, they have selected SIMATIC PCS Neo as the process control system and as the orchestration system to provide them this modular automation, thus giving them plug and produce with MTP. This modular approach saves them in the engineering phase, but also new modules are commissioned with speed and accuracy never seen before. At the School of Life Sciences near Basel, Switzerland, one of Europe's largest life sciences location, the engineers of tomorrow are testing innovative technologies. SIMATIC PCS Neo offers the perfect solution for controlling and monitoring the reactor test system and being able to provide the extra data for further evaluation. With the wireless transmission of all the data in real time, students can use the waiting times such as heating or cooling processes and phases for other tasks anytime and anywhere. The process control system ensures process availability at all the times. As we live in a digital world, security is the top priority for Siemens and our customers, from product development to productive plant operation. Our security expert for PCS Neo, Ralph Bull, explained at the ACHEMA Pulse event in June what major security advantages SIMATIC PCS Neo has as a completely web-based control system.
Well, SIMATIC PCS Neo is based on the defense in depth concept, and security is already an integrated part of PCS Neo, right from the start. That means, for example, that only the necessary functions are installed. Users and applications have only as many rights as they require for their tasks, and the functions which are required for the system are securely pre-configured. And regarding the mentioned web-based control system, the architecture of SIMATIC PCS Neo makes it possible to implement physical access protection in the best possible way. Thanks to the web-based architecture, you can protect all critical components like server and PLC in a separate cabinet room, whereas the web clients do not contain any critical data.
The security concepts that Ralph has just explained are applicable whether you make the system remote accessible or in a closed network environment. Harry Forbes of the ARC has written a compact article about our unique and sustainable market approach of our DCS systems, SIMATIC PCS 7 and SIMATIC PCS Neo. Siemens has adopted the strategy of retaining the state-of-the-art hardware platform of SIMATIC PCS 7 while entirely re-architecting the DCS system software to take advantage of the innovative software technologies. An important part of Siemens' DCS strategy is to ensure that the installed base could easily switch to the new platform at a time of their own choosing. Thanks for tuning in, and for more information, visit our website.